Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure font loading strategies to prevent layout shift. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what layout shift is and why it matters for user experience. Layout shift occurs when web page elements move during loading. This can lead to frustration and may cause users to click on the wrong element. Next, assess how fonts affect layout shifts. When a font loads late, the text might change size or style. This unpredictability can lead to poor user experiences. Choose a font loading strategy that minimizes layout shift. Consider using the Font Display CSS property. Setting Font Display Swap allows text to be displayed immediately with a fallback font. The custom font will then load in the background. This ensures that users see text right away, even if the desired font takes time to load. Alternatively, preloading key fonts can also be effective. Use the link rel equals preload as equals font tag in your HTML. This command tells the browser to load the specified font early in the loading process. Make sure to include the correct type and cross-origin attributes. This allows for immediate usage once the font loads. Next, implement a font loading library for advanced strategies. Libraries like Font Face Observer or Web Font Loader provide custom control. They help you manage font loading behaviors based on different conditions. Evaluate the use of a critical font strategy as well. Load essential fonts as part of your critical CSS. This way, they render immediately with minimal delay. Monitor loading performance regularly to ensure your chosen strategies are effective. Use tools like Google Lighthouse or Web Page Test to analyze layout shifts. Take note of the core Web Vitals metrics related to layout stability. Make adjustments as necessary based on your monitoring results. Finally, optimize your font files if you notice persistent issues. Consider subsetting fonts to include only the characters you need. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.